Today I have a 2012 Acura MDX with a cylinder one misfire. So of course I did switch the spark plug and the ignition coil with cylinder 2 with cylinder 1 misfire, and it's still cylinder 1 misfiring. I checked the fuel injector, is good, but the brusher was like almost zero. So what I did is I take the rear cylinder off, and then let me show you what happened over here. Never seen before. It's my first time seeing that. See the exhaust valve is cracked. Wow, already never seen that in my life. Yeah, I just want to share that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.